Alright guys, then when I said I'm an idiot, I just filmed a fucking 20-minute recap and I fucked up the recording. I am not happy with this. I even wrote the whole review. Recap. I even took a back testing trade for Friday, because I didn't trade live. Like, I haven't even looked at it. And it hit, and now it's just ruined. It's just fucking ruined. So now I've got to do it now, and I'm like, oh my god, in reality, I'm fucking already pissed off. Oh yeah, nice. Hold up. Oh my god. I'm ready to do this shit off the chart. Alright, this is just a great start. Honestly, I might even just put the chopped footage together at this point. Honestly, might save me time. No, dedication. Righty. Fuck, I'm having an absolute shocker. I clicked you. Yeah, what I thought. He's a good boy. He's a good little boy. What I thought. Fucking chart. So we had news out at 9:45. That's why we had to wait a bit for Trader Rooney. Our bias Rooney. Oh, I didn't mark it out on this one. Where I just don't even have any lines out. I'm not even going to bother fucking marking out London because I'm shitty. Show our bias Rooney. We want to target these Roonies. Also, for Vogap. Third time in art. 30-minute time frame. On this one as well. On the S&P. Bias Rooney. That gap. These highs. Also, they're lines from Friday, from like when I do that bit, and I'm not removing them. Like, you're just asking for a lot there, and I wasn't even there for the live recap. I fucking took a trade in 5 minutes on replay, so like, shut up. What I thought. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Anyways, market rip, just looking for longer tunies. Oh fuck, what candle I take trade off? Show me 1 minute. It's on the 1 minute. Schmutterini. This candle. If I was on the right chart actually, it was that candle. Stop was on here. Target. Just look on the 5 minute, you already know what's going to happen. Didn't retrace enough, didn't get it. Bang! 200 down the drain. Bang! It's alright. We continue. We shall continue. Now, what happens? Oh, fuck, it's not a long chart. Okay, anyways. S&T, low. Target that, but we do it on ES-NOS, which is already our targeting index. These fucking stupid primitive things gonna work. Bang. Go on bar, because old entity. Back here. Got an actual retracement, so we might actually take a proper real trade here. So these came down and rinsed. Next is our bearish index. We want an inversion of the gap or a break structure to the upside before we enter. There we go. Break structure on the bearish index. We can now enter. Ba-bang. Ba-bang. I can't be asked doing the trade. This is a trade we should have taken. TP1 would have hit and we would have gotten Rinsachini. Probably break even stop loss. But I didn't take that trade. We took that long and I took another stupid short, which I'm not going into. I just got fucking faked out and like entered a trade here. I'm embarrassed about it, alright? What is it? Not proud of it, man enough to say it. Shout out Daddy Wellness. Say it! Say it! There we go, sorry. Apologies for the first one. 9:30 Arenas on Friday. Love a gaze at this. What's time are we in? Yeah, no, that's right. Oh, we're only 5 minutes in. I'm going to take my time now. I'm going to drag out the video for the minute. Actually, I don't make any money off this shit. You know the YouTube things like got nothing to do with the money. Like absolutely not. I just saw a gap in the market where there's like not many people documenting their trading journeys. Everyone's just rich already. And like, if I'm gonna be rich off trading, I may as well be fucking famous off the tube as well. Off the YouTube. You feel me? And like teaching people and shit as well, obviously, alright. I'm not a monster trying to sell courses. I'm like, well, maybe I will in the future. Anyways. Let me just delete these off. A bias going into the session is anything. Literally, the bias going into the session was probably longs, but like maybe anything could happen. We could go short, but we'd have to get a higher time frame invalidated. So we're going to scale down to a 5 minute. I didn't trade this day, I was doing something else. Off rip, big Drake to the downside. A little Drake uppers. What does NQ do? NQ stays above. This. Looking for a change in trend. We also want this gap invalidated. Okay, so we saw a reaction off the gap. So see, that's where market manipulation again. So we need a break. Now as well, we did invalidate a half hourly structure somewhere. 15-minute structure somewhere. Here. What are we doing in a second? Or maybe I'm just lying. You'll never know. You will never know. What time is it? 10:10. Okay, so we're starting to see we're starting to see a shift in trend structure. Looking to take the trade on NQ because that's what I did in the previous video, and this is a bit more chop. Alright. And I filmed it already, alright. Looking for a retrace of Rooney on the 1 minute Skatoony. A little retrace of Rooney. Give me that retrace. Retrace. He's a good boy. Give me a reaction. Good boy. Breaker structure to the upside. Equilibrium. Do I even need to mark it out? We know by now that's equilibrium. Bang. This is like some generational wealth trade. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? Just to like flex. I'm doing on the trade thing. How many lots can I put? Oh my god, that is the most amount of lots you can put in on TradingView. Just in case you were wondering. I don't know what half that number is. Okay, we'll just have it up there and pretend we got partials. I don't know why I did this, I thought it would be funny. Also guys, so if you just buy my course for the low price of $1,000 a month, you could also be making, I don't even, I had to read it to the camera. You could also be making this much money. Ready? Watch me predict again. Can I enter more lot sizes? Bang! Bang! It's like Elon Musk's like net worth right there times 300 billion something. Yeah, so name another day trader entering with that many lots, maxing out the lot sizes. Name another day trader. No one's on my level. No one's on my fucking level. That was a wonderful risk reward. I'm banking that. Well, I also came up with this in the previous, when I recorded it the first time. You know what I mean? Alright. Please. I didn't even look at the charts until when I recorded it the first time, which you didn't see because I fucked it up. And I did the same thing, except without a quadrillion lot sizes. We'll also have a look at is. Let's just drop back to the previous day on that Thursday. Because I want to cover the reason why I lost that trade as much as I want to enter with my 900 milli lots. Yeah, let's just play this out. Yeah, nice. What the fuck is this right there? So remember, we entered up here, which was way too early, way too early. We had to wait for that retrace. And look how far down we pushed. We have to wait for that retrace next time, bro. That's what reinstarts. And look at the money made. Like, the potential money made that we could have, like 100% could have made. It's purely just emotional trading, which is losing me. Purely, I don't think it's as much the emotions of me going, oh my god, I can't lose money. I don't really think about that. It's the emotions of looking at it and going, okay, this looks good. I don't want to miss the move. So I need to lock in, because my strategy works. 100% work every single time. Every single time I do my trade recap, I have a whinge about how I entered too early or did something wrong. It's not my strategy that's wrong. The strategy works. I've proven the strategy works. It's executing in the market is what I'm lacking, which is purely market experience. And like, it's the only reason I'm not a fucking quadrillionaire from this shit. Alright? Like, the only thing I'm lacking in market experience, my strategy works. I got my shit down pat. It's just putting it in the markets, which is the hardest thing to do with trading. Fucking anyone can do strategy. Anyone can do this. What's this one? Anyone can go liquidity sweep, retracement breaker structure, enter long. Anyone can do that. Literally anyone can do that shit. Anyone. Oh. Okay, there's a lot of fucking retarded people. But, like, beginner traders can go, oh, breaker structure. That's their strategy, it's enter. But how many of them looked at that and, like, got fucked where I did? Being an idiot. Everyone. Actually, I take it back. Not everyone can see that shit. The liquidity sweep. But, like, the point is if it was like a line chart, if you know what I mean. Or it's those more people with like 6 month experience. Like, I'm not saying a fucking child can come here and go liquidity sweep, SMT divergence, Pavoga field. I'm not saying that. I'm saying if you've been trading for as long as I have, you can look at a chart, go, that's the liquidity sweep, breaker structure, Pavoga gut field, longer tunies, shorter tunies. But it's actually putting it in and choosing the right retracement and the right entry and waiting for the right entry instead of getting faked out and stopped out. That's what's the losing point in trading. So, little background on that, a little little. You ever seen the Profitunities? Let's look at the Profitunities. Sir! My dream as a profitable trader is to hang out with Daddy Wellness and like, you seen that TJR video where he's like, fucking, like the car hood goes up and he just like pops us in a tune that Daddy Wellness lives there. That's my dream. You feel me? Oh, we've done so well on the funded. 5103. This training can't get emotional. Every single one of these training days I could have won. Every single one of them were winning days. Other than that Thursday was a little bit of a trickier day to trade and like it wouldn't have been a big profit day where I got cooked. Friday if I traded I should have made bank of Rooney. I should have made bank. Wonderful, bro. I should have been like retiring people and that. Anyways, why didn't I trade Tuesday? I didn't trade because I didn't get an entry or something. Oh no, that was a news day. Anyways, it's enough for the opportunity. We're down 350 on the Thursday. We're down 6 bandies. 600. Anyways, moral of the story is keep grinding, you'll make it. I'm David Goggins of trading. The Goggins of trading. I'm not. I'm a fucking idiot. I'm dumb cunt version of trading. Anyways, we're gonna get some bank opportunities next week, alright?